My 2007 Honda Rancher TRX 400 FGA. I had that pipe welded onto the regular exhaust muffler and had a second muffler put on. The first muffler was getting loud. They wanted $350 for a OEM stock muffler. It's quiet, real quiet. All the noise is motor noise now. I like it, it's a lot quieter. I found that muffler at the flea market for $5. They welded that pipe down through there for $30. All that noise is in the motor. I had the valves adjusted, but they didn't adjust them right. I like the muffler.